In this video I'll show you how to add a hard drive to the NVS. Once you've physically added the hard drive into the NVS, open up Internet Explorer to the page of the NVS, go into the menu setting, and once it loads the menu you'll need to reboot the machine. Now you can also do this by pressing and holding the power button on the front of the NVS. So this is one of the options, so just go down to shutdown and reboot. Once you've rebooted the machine, the NVS will automatically format the hard drive. Once formatted, you can then log in to the NVS again. Now once we're logged back in, we then go back into the menu. So once the menu is loaded up, we can go back into database setup, click on internal disks, and as you can see there, both drives are active and running. So that's all we needed to do, just to check that they were added successfully.